Hello friends, my name is Mani and welcome with Rcare Overseas Education. We have Prabal with us. And we are here at the University of RWTH Aachen, where he's studying his bachelors. And the best part about his bachelors is he skipped his Studienkolleg and learned the German simultaneously from India, and so that he can save his 1 year, and then he's happy.
Yeah. Of course.
Okay, so let's can you please give your introduction?
Hi, my name is Prabal. I'm 21 years old. I'm completing my bachelor's in informatics in RWTH Aachen. I completed my first year in engineering in India while pursuing my C1 for German languages, while it was required in the German institutes for public admissions.
And when you were doing your C1, so you were doing your first year as well,
Yeah.
right? So were you able to manage everything?
Yeah, initially it was hard, but I tried to organize everything with my course and also my classes, so I could give time to German language too. And basically the difficulty I faced in B2, while that was the changing phase in my language. And after C1 I was more comfortable in speaking German.
Okay, so he did his C1 and then he got his admission here at University of RWTH Aachen. And once you're done with your C1, once we are done with your application, and I think you didn't face any problem while
No.
visa, anything,
No.
right? No. So now, are you facing any challenge while studying here in a German taught program? And which course are you studying?
I'm studying an informatics course. It's a German taught course. Many courses require English, so it's recommended to give the TOEFL exam or IELTS exam for English proficiency, and because they require an enrollment. And
I wanted to add on something on it.
Yeah.
So what happened was that his course is in German,
Yeah.
right? But at the end of the when you got the admission, during the enrollment, they asked for the English language test. So
proficiency.
it is referred to all the students that you should have the TOEFL or IELTS, because this course is a combination. This course is a combination for a German taught program and for an English taught program.
Yes.
So this is what he wanted to say, right? Yeah. And are you finding it difficult at the moment? Because it's been almost 2 months here.
Yeah.
So are you finding it difficult?
Not really difficult, but yeah, I'm facing few challenges while I'm a fresher in the university, so I'm organizing everything, looking for apartments and everything. But with study related things, I'm not facing that much difficulty with my C1 level of German.
And how are the professors? They're really cooperative?
Yeah, they are really cooperative. They give individual lectures too that you can attend in other classrooms. They also have practice sessions for classes, and you sit in those classrooms and attend many global questions that are required for your course.
Okay. And apart from these lectures, what would you suggest to the viewers that, before coming over here, they should keep in mind? So that could be related to apartments, I suppose,
Yeah.
that you should search the accommodation before coming here, because
if it's the first thing I'd say is find an apartment before coming here, and always pre-book for the university accommodation, because it usually takes 1 year to get a university accommodation here.
yes.
And apart from that, study related, you need to discuss with your mentor in your first semester, and it's really important because he organizes everything in the course.
So it is always referred that if you have a mentor would be a
Yeah.
very good idea, and if you have your friend circle or the seniors who can really help you out further would be always a good
Yeah.
idea. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions related to Germany, we would be very happy to help you out, and we would be very happy to help you for Europe education or any education related to Germany or in Europe. Thank you so much.